Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Vista True Wireless Earbuds. On the box you can see what the Bassbuds are supposed to look like, the Bassbuds Vista. This is a nice image over here. These are half in-ear design earphones. From the looks of it, we'll obviously get a better look. At the back we have some specifications. So this particular earbuds have a talk time of 3 hours, transmission range of 10 meters. Each of these earbuds have a battery capacity of 40 mAh, so that's 40 mAh into 2, that's 80 mAh. It has a driver size of 10 millimeters. The charging case has a battery capacity of 400 mAh, that's pretty good. And what other things? Frequency response is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and standby time is about 120 hours. Furthermore, there's a music play time of 4 hours and charging time of 1 to 2 hours. That's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. And this is it. This is what you find inside this particular box. We have a small packet with extra silicone buds. These are the medium and small variety. The large variety is attached to the buds. I'm going to leave them over here. There you can see medium and small variety. We also have a micro USB charging cable. There you can see this, the micro USB charging cable. Next up we have some documents. This is a thank you note from pTron. And finally we have an instruction manual for the Bassbuds Vista. You should read it at least once. It's time to take a look at the device itself. This is the pTron Bassbud charging case. It has a kind of a leathery texture to it, and these you can see are the LED charging indicators, and over here you have a micro USB charging port. Let's take a look at the earbuds as well. This is your half in-ear design. These are your magnetic sensors. This is what clips in when you put them inside the charging case. It also comes with an angular nozzle, as you can see. The larger silicone buds are already attached to this particular earbud. Overall, it has a matte blue but also an ergonomic feel to it. It feels very compact and light. I'm going to put these inside. Immediately it starts glowing, which means that these earbuds seem to have some charge, and they fit pretty snugly inside as well. So that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the pTron Bassbuds Vista Truly Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Thank you for watching.